So this program is horrible, but regardless, this is how you make a food truck using Floor Planner. So once you log in, you want to hit Empty Plan. Then you want to go to the top left, and underneath the hammer icon, there's a button that says Draw Room. Once you hit that, you want to create a basic rectangle. The size doesn't matter, it'll be changed afterwards. Typically, any food truck would be about 14 to 18 feet long and about 7.5 or 90 inches wide. So for this example, I'm going to make the length about 16 feet. So the bottom number should be 16, and then the right side number should be 7.5 feet, which equates to 90 inches. The black lines represent the walls, and the tan center represents the floor. So regardless of your length or width of your food truck, the height is pretty much always going to be the same, which is about 7 feet, not really much leeway with that number. So you need to click every wall and change them all to 7 feet in height. You can also change the thickness of each wall, which I would probably do because the default's like 6 inches, which is too much. So I went with an exaggerated number of 1 inch in thickness per wall. Changing the colors or the material of whatever you want is pretty simple. You just want to click on whatever you want to change, and then a tab opens on the left side. So you can either just change the color, or if you want a specific material, you can click that and then search what you want. Probably the most important part of any food truck is the front window. So to do that, you would want to go to the Place Windows button, and you need to use the first window. It's just the one that looks the best. You want to put that on the front of your food truck, and once you do that, I would personally change the dimensions to the ones I put on screen. You can do whatever you want, but that's what I would do. Unfortunately, you have to be a little bit creative at this point. There's a button underneath the Place Windows button, and it's a list of different objects you can use for architecture. So I took a beam object and I changed the dimensions and the placement of it to make it look like an awning that goes above like a window in a food truck. So my personal food truck theme is hot dogs, so because of that, I wanted to make the food truck look like a dog. So I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like a dog. It's really cool. I know, thank you. Finally, here's the most important part. There's a couch tab on the top left. Now this is the section where you're actually able to put all of your kitchen appliances and countertops and stuff like that. So once you click that, there should be a drop down that's under the search bar. It's normally on living room furniture, but you need to change that to either see all categories or kitchen. So once you finally put everything together, congratulations, you are now 10% done with the entire project. You have so much more to go, you're not even near done. Good luck!